If your Bosch dishwasher suddenly stopped working and threw up the E61 error, don't panic. This is actually one of the easier issues to solve once you know what's causing it. Today, you'll learn exactly what the error means and the simple steps you can take to fix it yourself. So, what is E61? This code points to a door lock problem. Your dishwasher isn't detecting that the door is fully closed, and because of that, it refuses to start or continue a wash cycle. The good news is, this usually comes down to just a few things: an improperly closing door, a faulty door lock, a control board issue, or damaged wiring. Start with the simplest fix, the door lock. Always unplug the dishwasher first for safety. Open the door and inspect the latch area around the hinges. If the lock looks loose or slightly out of alignment, tightening the screws or gently adjusting its position might be enough. But if you see cracks or worn out parts, the lock probably needs replacing. If the door lock checks out, move on to the control board. Remove the top panel and look closely at the board. Burn marks, melted spots, or disconnected wires are instant red flags. You can test the board with a multimeter to be sure. If it fails to test or has visible damage, replacing it is usually the only solution. Finally, inspect the wiring. Remove the top and back panels and follow the wires leading to the lock and control board. Look for any frayed, burnt, or loose cables. Test them with a multimeter for continuity if you can. Any damaged wiring will need repair or replacement, and if you're not confident doing it, it's totally fine to call in a technician. Once you've gone through these checks, plug your dishwasher back in and start a cycle. If the door is being detected properly, that E61 error should disappear, and your dishwasher should be back to normal. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you get your dishwasher up and running again. If you want more quick fixes like this, stick around for future tutorials.